Well, look who's here. It's the welcoming committee. Look at this. Zoe and Zulu, huh? Oh, hi Zoe. Yeah. Hi Zoe. Huh? It's the welcoming committee. All right. I think Zoe's a little bit more excited to see me than Zulu. Hi. 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 Huh? How are you? Huh? Hey. Hey. All right. So we're not. Okay. All right, folks. Let me get settled in. All right. Let's see if it's just like I left it. Oh boy. It's so good to be back. You know, I spent 4 months in this little place, and it may be little, but boy, it's got all the markings of home. And oh, it's good to be back. It's really, really good to be back, and everything is everything is just about how I left it. Wonderful, just wonderful. There's my bedroom, and look at this, my little clean, quiet, comfortable, safe. Oh, it's just fantastic. Very, very, very nice. So, all right, folks, there is your Toowoomba check-in. Here's a message. I am confident of this very thing, that he who began a good work in you will perfect it until the day of Jesus Christ. Philippians 1:6. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.